Welcome back. This is video number 3 in the series. All right, we're going to talk about how does a budget-strapped startup founder go from being overwhelmed by patent costs to securing multiple issued patents for their invention. Hi, I'm Mark Trenner, and in our last 2 videos, we discussed my multiple provisional patent application filing strategy. Today, I'm going to show you how a real startup I worked with used that exact strategy we talked about to build a valuable IP portfolio. This startup founder I worked with had a brilliant innovation, but very limited funds. They thought they were stuck. Then they talked to me. They said, "We're terrified. We might have to choose between paying for patent protection or paying for product development. Either way, we lose. What can we do?" Well, here's what we did. First, we filed an initial provisional application. It was fast, it was affordable, and it secured their priority date. They were immediately patent pending and could confidently go talk to investors. Over the next 10 to 12 months, their product evolved. They improved the core technology and then added a new key feature. Just like we discussed in the second video, we filed a second provisional application to cover those new features. Then, at the 12-month mark, we rolled both of those provisional applications into one powerful utility patent application. Now, this is where most people stop, but we took it one step further. That one utility application was rich with invention. It had several distinct patentable parts. So later on, as their budget grew and the company became more stable, we went back to that parent application. We filed what are called continuation and divisional applications. Now you can think of these as strategically splitting the parent application into children applications. We filed one application that focused on the core invention, and then we filed a second one that focused on another aspect of the invention. It could be used with the invention or separately. Actually, we ended up filing even more patent applications than this, all based on that one original invention. So what was the result, you ask? That founder who started with one low-cost provisional application, they now have multiple issued patents. They didn't just protect one idea, no, they built a strategic patent portfolio. Their company's valuation increased. They now own IP that covers multiple angles of their product, making it incredibly difficult for a competitor to copy them. And they did it all by delaying the big costs until the company was financially stable. This is the difference between best protection and practical protection. You start fast and lean with some provisional filings, and you stay strategic throughout, getting one, maybe more patents to issue. And you build a portfolio that's going to grow with your business. Now you can do this too. If you want to build a lean strategic patent portfolio that grows with your business, let's talk. Book a call using the link below and we'll map it out just like we did here.